In the figure above, a small object slides down a frictionless quarter circle, slides radius r. If the object starts from rest at the height equal to 2r above the horizontal surface, find its horizontal displacement x at the moment it strikes the surface. In this question, no non-conservative forces are acting. Since it is frictionless, no friction is acting and there is no loss in the energy. So at this point and at this point, the energy would be, mechanical energy would be same. So mechanical energy at initial point would be equal to the mechanical energy at final point. Mechanical energy is equal to the mechanical energy final. Mechanical energy we know is equal to mgh plus half mv square, which is the velocity initial, and this is also initial. So mgh or final plus half mv f square. Initially it would have velocity 0, so ui is 0. In this case this would be 0, but it has this height of 2r is equal to mgh. When it reaches to this final point, the height in this case, since this is r and this distance is 2r, so this distance would be r only. So hf is equal to r plus half m vf square. So we have to find this velocity to find this displacement x. mg into r is equal to 2m vf square. M got cancelled. So it would be, vf would be root of 2gr is the velocity. This velocity is in the x direction only. This is the Vx velocity, and there would be no velocity in the y direction. So initial y direction velocity would be 0. To find the x, it would be equal to Vf into t. To find the time taken, we have to take help of the second equation applied in the y direction. So it would be y is equal to u into y velocity into t plus half acceleration in y direction into t square. So we know that y velocity from this point I am applying for this case. So it would be, instead of y I can write r. Initial velocity is 0, that's why this term is 0. Half, because the acceleration is in the downward direction and the motion is also happening in the same direction. So g is positive into 10 into t square. So the time would be 2r upon 10 root of it. This is the time. Let's substitute in this equation and find the x. X is equal to root of 2 into g, which is 10 into r into 2r. Let's substitute the time into divided by 10 root of it. So this would get cancelled and x would be equal to 2r. A is your correct. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please like it and subscribe the channel. We will bring more problems along with the solution. So if you have any query, then you can WhatsApp me. If you want a private tuition from me, then you can scan this or send me an email on forcetra.physicss@gmail.com. See you in the next video.